Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine at home. We were doing active passive. Today we will do further this topic, active passive. By now we are done present continuous tense. Today we will do further present perfect. Present perfect continuous means has have will be changed in has been have been. I have done it with singular, with plural एंड आई आल्सो. सिंगुलर सिलेक्ट के साथ हैज बीन का यूज करेंगे और प्लूरल के साथ हैव बीन का और आई के साथ क्या. आई हैव डन इट. वन एग्जांपल इज देयर. वी चेंज इट इनटू पैसिव. इट सिंगुलर हैज बीन डन बाय मी. इट हैज बीन डन बाय मी. Have you solved the mystery? Have you solved the mystery? Change it. It is an interrogative sense. Then passive voice will also be in interrogative sense. Has the mystery singular, the mystery singular, has the mystery been solved by you? जब दो शब्द आ जाते हैं हेल्पिंग वर्ब में तब हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में आधा पहले लगाते हैं आधा स्लूट के बाद में लगाते हैं. Has the mystery been solved by you? Why have you beaten him? Change this. Why has he been beaten? Why has he been beaten by you? We change present perfect to present perfect continuous means has will be changed to has been, have been. With singular has been, with plural have been, and I also have. Given an example. Past indefinite. Past indefinite will be changed into past continuous. Means second form and did plus first form will be changed into was. Singular, plural. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को पैसिव वॉइस में वाज में चेंज करेंगे, पास्ट फॉर्म्स में चेंज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल दे टुक टी. हम इसको पैसिव बनाते हैं. टी सिंगुलर, ये सेकंड फॉर्म है. टुक वाज वर्ब में टी वाज टेकन by them. Did you sing a song? डिड यू सिंग ए सॉन्ग, ए सॉन्ग के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ हेल्पिंग वर्ब है तो यहाँ भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगी। डिड फर्स्ट चेंज वाज वर्ब, सिंगुलर was a song sung, sing sang sung, third form by you. More example, why did you beat him, why did you beat him, why was he beaten by you। एक्टिव वॉइस जिस सेंस में, पैसिव वॉइस भी इस सेंस में होना चाहिए। WH फैमिली हेल्पिंग वर्ब सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट। We have done past indefinite tense. It will be changed to past continuous tense. Past continuous में रहेगा was were, ये was were में रहेंगे। इसमें फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing लगती है, इस ing का being बन जाएगा और थर्ड फॉर्म हमेशा लगा देंगे। एग्जाम्पल ये दे वर, सिंगुलर प्लूरल, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ वॉज का प्रयोग करें, प्लूरल के साथ वर का प्रयोग करें। दे वर फ्लाइंग काइट, इसका पैसिव बनाते हैं, काइट प्लूरल है और इस ing का हम बनाएंगे यहाँ पे being kites were being, third form fly flew flown, kites were being flown by, objective case they them, kites were being them।
Why were you teasing her? Why were you teasing her? Why was
she being teased by you? Sense should be the same। WH family, helping verb, subject, verb, object। Why was she being teased by you? So we change past continuous tense into past continuous tense। Here a bit little change, we change ing into being। past perfect, continuous, had been, had be changed to had been। एग्जाम्पल है they had looted him, they had looted him। लूट मैंने लूटना भी होता है, looted, they they had looted him. He had been looted by them. Had you broken my plate? Had you broken my plate? Had, change it, had my slate. Had my slate been broken by you? Why, one more example here. Why had you abused him? Why had he been abused by you? So here we see had will be changed into had been. Here some examples have given here. Future indefinite. Future indefinite will be changed into future continuous. Future continuous means will shall will be changed into will be, shall be. Third form, they will do it. They will do it. It will be done by them. Will you accompany me? आई वी के साथ shall का प्रयोग करेंगे और विद अदर्स के साथ will का प्रयोग करेंगे. Will you accompany me? Change this. Shall I के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे shall लगे. Shall I be accompanied by you? Shall I be accompanied by you? Will, shall will be changed to will be and shall be. Future continuous no change. फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस को हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे, चेंज नहीं होगा. नाउ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट will be changed to future perfect continuous. Will have, shall have, will be changed to will have been, and shall have been. With IV, you shall, other, use will have. They, example here, they will have crossed the river. They will have crossed the river. You change it. The river will have, it will be changed to will have been. Will have been crossed by them. One more example here. Will you have chased him? Will you have chased him? Will he have been? इंट्रोगेटिव सेंस में इस तरीके से बनेगा. Will he have been chased by you? एक्टिव इस सेंस में, पैसिव इस सेंस में होगा, इंट्रोगेटिव इस सेंस में बनेगा. Will he have been chased by you? One more example here. Why will you have beaten him? Why will he have been beaten by you? In case of WH family, it will be in this way. So, dear students, we have done present, past and future tense. For today, this is sufficient. You will write 30 sentences of present, past and future. Thank you. Have a nice day.